Optosigma is a silver sponsor of Epic's 20th year anniversary party. Axel, this device, does this mean that you can automate the inspection of lenses and find scratches?
Yes, it is. So we have here over there, we have here a tray with optics, and we have here a robotic arm. He is taking the optics and put this in front of the light, and with an AR software we can detect if the product is good or not good. And this we can learn on different levels and different materials.
Wait, so it adjusts, so you can learn how to do this with a variety of materials?
Yes, it is.
Okay, but for a human, how long would it take a human to check one of these optical elements?
Of course, the human eye is very good. Maybe it needs 1 or 2 minutes, so you would save this time.
1 or 2 minutes, but how quick is this?
So it roughly takes, like you see here, 10 or 20 seconds.
Now, the thing is, though, there's variance with people. So do I understand that this is uniform? Every inspection is going to be the same?
Yeah, you got the point. So, of course, every human eye is different and every person has a different mood. So you can ensure that you have every time the same inspection.
Wow, that supports volume production of photonic elements. Thank you for telling us about Optosigma.